how you can delete your Netflix account. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your Netflix account, the first step is you need to cancel your membership. To do that, go to your homepage and click on your user on the top right. After you do so, just go to your account section and tap on cancel membership button. After you do that, just confirm the cancellation by tapping on finish cancellation. Now after you do so, your account will be deleted in 10 months. Now if that's too long for you and if you want to delete it, right now, I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get right back. So if you want to delete your Netflix account as soon as possible, what you need to do is go to Help Center on Netflix, and after you do so, you'll need to tap on Start Live Chat. Now after you do so, you will need to send them a message by saying that you want to delete your Netflix account, and after you do so, support will guide you through the process of deleting your Netflix account. And it won't take that long and it will delete your Netflix account. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.